definitely a little bit behind on filming. I know I haven't posted in a few weeks, but I do have things that I need to get filmed, so I'm going to go ahead and do those today. And the first one that I'm starting with is going to be the Ipsy Glam bag. Now, one thing I find interesting this month is they actually changed it up and went with one of these bags, which I think I've had these previously, but I feel like these type are what they used to put the full size in, if I'm not mistaken, because the regular bags are usually the ones with the zipper. But I don't mind these, I think they're cute. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. Alright, I'm just going to dump it all out next to me. And I'm going to get my handy dandy paper that tells me what everything is. I honestly don't remember what anything is, so... Okay, so first off, we have this Sweet Street eyeshadow duo in Revy and Sun. And it says, this golden bronze eyeshadow duo will quickly become your go-to for easy eye looks. The matte shade is perfect for all over color and blending, while the shimmer shade adds dimension and a touch of sparkle. So, let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's just got like two nice brown colors, which this is definitely colors that I would use on a daily basis. I kind of have something like that on right now. So I will definitely try and make sure I use this. So that is the first thing. The reason I say try is because I tend to reach for a full-size palette versus these small ones. So I need to like remember I have them. Let me see. Next up I have this here. It's the Hear Me Raw, the detoxer with charcoal and purifying rub off mask. Now I don't personally tend to choose masks because I don't use them a lot, but this is not one of the things that I chose. So it says, if a skin detox is on your to-do list, this purifying mask is for you. It's packed with activated charcoal, Irish moss, and Chinese ginseng to help give you a fresh, glowing skin in just 15 minutes. The rub-off formula gently exfoliates and removes dirt and impurities to help leave you with soft, smooth skin. And it says, tip, leave mask on for 15 minutes, then rub into your skin to exfoliate before washing off. So that is the first thing. I'm assuming, yeah, it's got a little thing on it. I don't want to take that off since I probably won't use it for a while. But next thing in here, this is actually really pretty. I like the packaging. It is the Seraphim Botanicals Liquid Kohl Waterproof Eyeliner, which I think this might be the one that I chose. It says, go ahead and let it all out with an ugly cry because this formula is not going to budge. Truly waterproof, stain-proof, and foolproof, this black liquid eyeliner allows you to easily line your eyes or create those glamorous feline flicks seamlessly without tugging or pulling at your skin. And it says to start with a small wing and layer for a more dramatic look. So I'm curious if this is just the outer packaging or if that's the inner packaging, so I want to take this off and see. Because sometimes things will have a nice outer design, but then the inside is not. Okay, so yes, that is the design on the actual packaging, which I really like this. It's really pretty, and it does have that nice felt tip, which, love felt tips. That is the only kind of eyeliner that I will personally buy now. So, love those. Next up in here, we have this here. It is the Toy Factory Nia Blend Serum Concealer in Fair. It was either this or the eyeliner that I chose. I don't remember which one. It says, meet your best friend for a flawless complexion. A concealer that's rich in vitamin B3 to help nourish and improve your skin's texture while providing buildable coverage. This anti-caking formula helps give you a natural, lightweight finish while keeping your skin hydrated and dewy. And it says, blend with your fingers for quick and easy touch-ups. I hope that showing this wasn't messing with the lighting. I just realized it's kind of reflective, and I know that that's been a problem when I'm filming before. But let me go ahead and see if I can open this up. So it does have really pretty packaging. I don't want to hold it up again with the reflectiveness. So it looks like the inner one is like that as well. So again, hopefully that doesn't mess with the camera, but that is it. It's just one of the little samples. And then last thing in here that I have is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. There's truly no better feeling than washing all the makeup and grime off your skin at the end of the day, and this rose cleansing balm helps get rid of it all, leaving your skin feeling petal soft. Instead of stripping your skin, it nourishes the skin's lipid barrier so you feel clean and hydrated. So I'm very excited to try this. I've never tried a makeup remover balm before. It smells really nice. It kind of, I don't know what I would call that scent. I don't know. But I'm excited to give this a shot. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Because like I said, I've never tried one of these and I'm really interested. But that is all the things that I had in the bag. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I am actually about to film the box as well. So that'll be going up soon too. I think I'll probably go with this first and that one second. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!